Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make a rose themed trinket dish. We're going to use this round mold with facets on the side, and we're going to use this mold for the flower. For coloring, we're going to use pigment from Color Obsession in Wild Rose. Alright, let's get started. Let's start by mixing the resin. I'm going to make about 200 ml. We're going to pour the clear resin into the mold. Taking the rest of the resin, we're going to mix a bit of the pink pigment. Then taking the pink, we'll fill in the flower mold. This mold has a lot of crevices, so I'm going to take a craft stick to push the resin around and make sure it gets into all the grooves. With the rest of the pink, we're going to pour it into the plate mold in a swirly pattern. Then we're going to let it sit for a day to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been a day and we are ready to demold. So let's go ahead and pop this one out. Okay, so here is the base. And let's take out this flower. And here it is. Oh my goodness, this looks really nice. I think this dish would look really good with a flower like this. Before we add the flowers, let's add some legs. Flipping the base over, we're going to add a layer of clear resin. Then we're going to add 5 small legs. It's been a day and the resin has cured. Now we're going to flip it back over, and on the top side, we'll add another layer of clear resin. Then we're going to place the flowers on the edge of the dish. Alright, the top coat of the dish is done, and we are going to add the next detail. We're going to use UV resin for this so that we don't have to wait a day for it to cure. We'll add a bit of the UV resin to the base of the flower, and then place some white beads all the way around it. After we're done, we'll put it under the UV lamp to cure. Finally, we're going to take a gold pen and color in the center of the flower. Alright everyone, and we are done. So this took a lot of time because we poured 3 different layers on this, but I think it turned out really nice. So here is the bottom with some nice golden legs. And then here is the base of the plate. I really love the texture of the pink inside the resin. And of course we have our beautiful flower with some beads on the bottom, and on the very top it's colored in gold. And so we can add our little jewelry here like this. And so this is a really nice dish. It actually is pretty big and it fits a lot. So we can add our rings, we can put a bracelet, need some earrings over here, and other trinkets. Alright everyone, so this was really fun. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my little trinket dish. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!